Hello students, today I am going to discuss your chapter number 3, metals and non-metals, and in this chapter I am going to discuss activity or reactivity series of elements. Activity or reactivity series of elements. What is this? The arrangement of metals or elements in the decreasing order of reactivity is called reactivity series. The arrangement of metals in the decreasing order of reactivity is called reactivity series. स्टूडेंट्स, जब हम एलिमेंट्स को या मेटल्स को रिएक्टिविटी के ऑर्डर में अरेंज करते हैं तो जो हमें सीरीज ऑब्टेन होती है दैट इज कॉल्ड रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज. द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ मेटल्स इन द डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्टिविटी इज कॉल्ड रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज. एक्टिविटी और रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. In this series, the most reactive metal is potassium, after that sodium, after that calcium, after that magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, silver, gold, etc. Some extra may be also. Students, it is very difficult to learn this order one by one. Therefore, there is need of some mnemonic. So we will learn this order with the help of this mnemonic. Please stop calling me a zebra. I like his copper, silver, gold. Please stop calling me a zebra. I like his copper, silver, gold. Students, in this mnemonic, please refer to potassium, stop S sodium, calling C calcium, me M magnesium, A aluminium, zebra Z zinc, I iron, like L lead, his H hydrogen, copper, silver and gold. So students, this mnemonic will help you to learn this activity series. After that, I am going to discuss characteristics of activity series. Characteristics of activity series. First characteristic, the most reactive metal is placed at the top, whereas the least reactive metal is placed at the bottom. Students, इस सीरीज में सबसे ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव मेटल सबसे ऊपर होता है और सबसे कम रिएक्टिव मेटल नीचे होता है. सेकेंड पॉइंट, द मोर रिएक्टिव मेटल हैज़ ग्रेटर टेंडेंसी टू फॉर्म कंपाउंड. जिसकी रिएक्टिविटी बेटा ज़्यादा होती है वो ज़्यादा कंपाउंड का फॉर्मेशन करते हैं. द they readily lose electron to form electropositive ion. That is why such metal are found only in the bonded state with other element. Student, जो मोर रिएक्टिव मेटल्स होते हैं उनमें इलेक्ट्रॉन को लूज करने की टेंडेंसी ज़्यादा होती है, इसीलिए वो कंपाउंड के फॉर्मेशन में ज़्यादा पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं और कंपाउंड के फॉर्म में ही रहते हैं. Least reactive metals such as silver, gold and platinum are found in free state in the earth crust because they are hardly react. तो स्टूडेंट, जो रिएक्टिव नहीं होते वो किसी से रिएक्ट नहीं करते और फ्री फॉर्म में नेचर में एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. Some important point. Reactive metals can displaces less reactive metals from their compounds. स्टूडेंट, जो ज़्यादा एक्टिव मेटल्स होते हैं वो कम एक्टिव मेटल्स को उनके कंपाउंड से डिस्प्लेस कर देते हैं. After that, a metal can displace all the metals from their compounds which are lower are in the reactivity series. स्टूडेंट्स, रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज जो अभी हमने डिस्कस किया उसमें जो रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज में ऊपर के मेटल होते हैं उनकी रिएक्टिविटी ज़्यादा होती है, वो नीचे के मेटल को उनके कंपाउंड से डिस्प्लेस कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, when iron react with copper sulfate it will form iron sulfate and copper. Students, you can see very easily in this reaction iron displaces copper from copper sulfate and forms iron sulfate, and copper is present in free form. Means from this reaction we can conclude that the reactivity of iron is more than copper because iron displaces copper from its salt. There These reactions are called as displacement reactions. Some important chemical reaction. Silver nitrate react with copper, will form copper nitrate and silver. Means copper is more reactive than silver. Copper sulfate react with iron, forms iron sulfate plus copper. Means iron is more reactive than copper. Iron sulfate react with zinc to form zinc sulfate and iron. Means zinc is more reactive than iron. Zinc sulfate react with aluminium, forms aluminium sulfate and zinc. Means aluminium is more reactive than zinc. Aluminium sulfate react with magnesium, forms magnesium sulfate and aluminium. Means magnesium is more reactive than aluminium. Therefore your order will be silver. Your order will be silver, copper, iron, zinc, aluminium and magnesium. Means magnesium is most reactive element among these. Okay, thank you.